Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this mini high-speed jet blower duster. It comes with super impressive specs. I would say definitely highest specs in such a small duster. It has up to 150,000 RPM on the third level. Yeah, it has 3 different speed levels, has a whopping 8000 milliamps charge, so it can definitely last for very long. It can be charged with up to 6 amps, and the highest wind speed it can produce is 60 meters per second, which is more than 130 miles per hour, which is the same as a category 4 hurricane. And so let's take it out of the box, see what we get. We can see also some charge information. Here says it can be charged with up to 100 watts charge. Of course we need to charge it because I think it's shipped with only 15% battery charge for safety reason. And by the way, the fan cannot work during charge, so you have to pre-charge it before you are planning to use it. It comes with a detailed instructions manual, and you get also some accessories nicely packaged here. A huge bunch of cleaning tools, for example, for your keyboard and some other stuff. A really nice idea. And we get also a charging cable, modern USB-A to USB-C. And then of course the device itself makes a really good impression, has quite some weight, looks really solid built, and it's also a very stylish duster. You can see that here. That would make it also a really nice gift. Yeah, the instructions actually say this product should use 5 volts, 2 to 3 amps DC charger, which would make it maximum 15 watts charge, and nothing about 100 watts charge with 6 amps. And I've hooked it up here. By the way, I've found out that this doesn't have a built-in PD trigger, which is pretty much normal, but from such a high-tech device I would have expected maybe a PD trigger, and the maximum charging speed is usually between 9 and 11 watts. Definitely not something super impressive, just around 2 amps, which most of such devices have. And when the battery is fully charged, we see a green light. Then we have 2 options how to start it. We can start it directly with the button here in the front when we long press and hold it, and we can release it and then it stops. And you have already heard how impressive the wind speed was, but I'm going to show you the second option to turn it on, so you don't have to press the whole time. So we push 2 times here within 1 second, and you can hear it starts working. And we can change the wind speed. So we have these 3 different levels here. Level 1, and when we push again, it goes into level 3, which is absolutely hurricane-like. There's no doubt about that. And then we have level 2 in between. So I stopped this here. It blew even away my cap. And of course we also want to test the wind speed. Of course that's not a professional anemometer or so. That's just something to compare it with some other dusters. My original favorite duster has been able to produce wind speed of up to 30 miles per hour. You can see it's reset to 0. And just recently I've tested a super strong duster which has been able to produce 35 miles per hour. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, I stopped this here. I wanted to protect my anemometer from overheating at the axle, because it's definitely not a very high quality thing, and I've been fearing that this thing would be destroyed by the wind speed, and it shows 66 miles per hour maximum, and that was not even the top. I've just removed it because I feared it would be too much. Yeah, that's absolutely amazing. Yeah, I even tried one more time and you can see show 79 miles per hour, and I could go even further, but that would definitely destroy this very basic anemometer. This is crazy, something I've never seen before, and the most amazing thing is that it's not even crazy loud. I've seen dusters which produce easily double the noise of this one and do not even have half of the wind speed. Yeah, this thing is on a total different level. There's no doubt about that. Be very careful where you point this wind stream. It will blow everything away. You can even use it outside in the backyard to blow away some leaves, but don't point it towards your documents. It will be a huge mess after that. So this can be awesome to clean some stuff, cool some stuff, ignite a fire outside when you're camping or so. You will definitely impress your friends. They will be blown away. So no need anymore to grab always your full-size leaf blower when you just want to clean up a little bit, maybe in your garage or so. So apart from the wrong information here regarding charging, it is definitely holding up to the promises which they are making about the super high wind speed. That's not just a scam or so. This thing is super impressive, and so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.